delegation from the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC met with Meghalaya Governor CH Vijay Shankar today, urging him to approve 7 bills that have been pending since last year. These include significant amendments such as the KHAD Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2024, the KHAD Fisheries Amendment Bill 2023, and the Regulation of Trading by Non-Tribal Amendment Rules 2023, among others. After the meeting, KHADC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh Siem spoke to the media, highlighting 2 key bills: the KHAD Administration of Ilaka Amendment Bill 2023 aims to empower local youth and women's groups under the Council's jurisdiction. The second crucial bill is the KHAD Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill 2023, which seeks to regulate local clan administration. According to SAME, over 3,000 clans exist in the Khasi Hills, none of which have been officially recognized by the KHADC. The new bill aims to formally recognize each clan leader.
Honorable Governor, so comment bangi yo Governor batmai ba shimkhia bha but basuthu bha habide ba kakam jong ka district council te kidon le si ki kam ki ba ngimla ban ong ba penslam na DCA department namar kidon ki por ki bangi hab ban penbet kidon ki shiti ki ba ki hab ban ondala poi DCA na DCA le si kidon ka jingya penbet ikini ki bills ba ka law department jong sarkar jela sidon katu kan ni ka jingya tingku ahni antai lani ki jing kwa jing pensyai ya kata ki hab hiban ha biang shangi tele si ha kan ni ka jing ya lenti ka ba la poi sha DCA na DCA sha ka law na ka law department wan biang sha district council hangta ka shu delay khndiat henry banong ban penslam na kaliang sarkar lani ban penslam na kaliang governor kam don kum kata ki bills baro nyotli kila don hang ni menta but
yakran sapo kalong no respond
ka katkum ka jing yakran ka jongi kalong ba new honorable governor sngap ha but shimkhya bha yakanika kam tam hakabidi ka district council uda sultanat bha ban tip ba ka district council kalala ban thau kat ni teliki ai te da khenna du kipor ki ba khaman shua but hadu kanika samoy trekam ga jungi kam tam ha kanika samoy trekam ga jungi le setla ban ong ngila create history ki ba bondu ki bills de ha kaniki samoy trekam ga jungi ke bangila ban shna na kam tajing mentoy jong ki ba te na padeng kini ki nyotli artli ki bill ki ba kongsan bha kata kadai ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Administration of Ilaka Amendment Bill Arhaja Arkulai te kanika bill menta kala poi hayang Raj Bhavan but nila pensol ya ulat ba kanika long ko badan kam hadu kata but nakaliang governor la suthu bhai ni ka bill makani ka bill kadai habe kadai shaphang kajing penkop bor lane kajing ithu dakaan ya kajing trekam jong ki seng samla hapo kishnong but ki seng kenthai lane ki seng long kume hapo kishnong boro skata kajing don jong ki seng kenthai ki seng long kume ni ki seng samla hakini ki hakishnong kajing trekam ka shulong be tangkat kum ki practice ki baju ja boro skata ne kampat shimladon da ka bor jong ka ain ban ithu ya kata te nakaliang ka jungi ngila penslo but nakaliang honorable governor la shai bha bai de ni but nakaliang honorable governor la aiktin ba kani kalong badan kam but ba insa le no kham kloi ban pendap ya kani ka ba ar pan na padeng ki nyotli kini ki bills ki badan kam ha kadika Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill Arja Apply kani ka bill ru nilayo ban yathu ya honorable governor bala stunat bha habidi ban tip khambha shaphang ka jinglong jingman jongkariti dostor juni khamtam kumki khasi bangidon ya kanika kakur kacai jungi de hadu menta la benong kat kum ka research ki babun la benong ba kum balai hajar tam teli ki takikur ki jat khasi hiladon hakanika jat benri ko jongi henry hadu kat menta da piong ki kurs im ne ki kur maulong ne ki kur saukumi ne ki lingdo ne ki nongrum ne kino hadu menta 4 shimladon da ka jing itu da ka ai dan nomor takadang ismo bakani ka bill ru khalong badan kam Kani dika amendment hapo kani kasi social custom of lineage act kani ka principal act arja nyo kani but mentang wan ra kani ka bill amendment bill arja apulai ya kaba ban yo ban itu lane ban register no kerpang ye kikur kijai kasi kitungin baro kenang baka jing trekam hakikur kan long renti namar menta PI kasi tribe certificate na kaliang council kumnungin la ban pensisha let's say ban yo jing shai na kirang bakur manu hadu menta ki belak hamrang ba ki kambe baki de kirang bakur Henry lingba kani ka bel la tangi la yo ban pelong ai ka bamut de undan betang we urang bakur bela itu dakakur ban lapen scam nakaliang bingka district council tekini de kindiat ki banga supashat ya ki jingdon kam ju kini ki artli ki bel